Hey there! So, let's dive into the problem we have today. The issue at hand involves moving specific lines in a list to the top. In this case, we're looking to move all lines containing the word blue to the beginning of the list. It's a common task that can come up when organizing data based on certain criteria. Now, let's walk through the solution to the problem. The regular expression provided is instrumental in achieving our goal. The regex pattern breaks down as follows. It starts by locating the beginning of the file and captures all characters until it finds a line that includes the word blue. Once the matching line is found, it includes the entire line in the second group. This regex pattern is key in identifying and isolating the lines we want to move. Continuing on the solution, the replacement consists of rearranging the captured lines. By using the back references $2 and $1, the regex moves the line containing blue to the top of the list while maintaining the order of the remaining lines. This process is repeated until all lines with blue are positioned at the top, effectively sorting the list based on our criteria. In summary, we've successfully tackled the problem of reordering lines in a list based on a specific keyword. By utilizing the provided regular expression and replacement logic, we've effectively moved lines containing blue to the top of the list. Problem solved. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment below with your thoughts. I promise it'll make your day a little brighter.